Hello guys, I'm Joris Manyalak. This time, ituturo ko naman yung programming language na C. By the way, what is computer programming? Yun yung paggawa ng softwares or games para sa ating mga computers, laptops, tablets, or even mobile phones using different programming language. This time, gagamitin natin programming language na C. So, I'll show you some examples ng mga programs na pwede natin magawa using C. So, let's go. So, meron tayo dito some programs na nagawa ko na before. Let's try calculator program and try to run calculator.exe, which is yung executable file natin. So, ito na yung ating program. So, basahin natin yung instruction for operations, press plus for addition or addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, or what do you call this? Slash for division. So, press any key to continue, any key sa keyboard, and try natin yung ating addition. Let's say 10, press enter, plus, press enter, 5. So expect natin, once press natin si enter, it give us answer 15. So try natin another operations. Let's say multiplication, 6 times 2, so 12. Kung may another pa tayo, gusto pa natin mag-try, mag-calculate ng another numbers, press Y. So, kung wala na, try natin other key. Mag-stop na, i-expect natin mag-stop na yung program natin. And, thank you, you are finished. Thank you for using. So, yun na ating program for calculator. Try natin yung iba pang, let's say, itong horoscope program, which is ipapakita niya kung ano yung zodiac sign mo, kung Leo, and yung Chinese zodiac. So, try natin i-run. And ito nating horoscope, version 1.0. Press the following for the month, 1 for January, February 2, etc. etc. Press any key to continue. Month, sabihin natin yung birthday ko, August. Day 4. Year, nakakaya. Pero 1989. So, ang sabi ko dito, ang zodiac sign ko is Leo. Chinese zodiac snake. So, tama naman to. Press Y for kung gusto pa natin mag-try. So, try tayong ibang birthday. Sabihin natin, hula lang tayo. Sabihin natin 12, 25. So, pa may birthday na ganyan. Random na lang, 1995. Capricorn, zodiac sign, pig. Press any key. Y for yes. So, try natin no. And expect natin stop na yung program. So, nag-stop na siya. Hindi na natin na-prompt si user. So, siguro need nating i-modify yung program na yun. So, yun na yung mga sample programs natin using C na pwede natin magawa. Don't worry, tuturo ko paano gawin yung mga yon. So, by the way, explain ko muna what is kung ano itong mga file na to. Ito yung tinatawag na itong horoscope.c. Lahat ng extension name .c, ito yung source code natin. Pwede natin siyang i-open using notepad. Let's try. Edit. And yung file. Try na maximize. Ito yung source code nating program. Dito natin i-encode yung algorithm natin na gusto natin mangyari sa ating program. So, once na nagawa na natin yan, kailangan natin siyang i-compile. Which means, gagawa siya ng next natin ng executable file na .exe. So, meron tayong source code, compiler, and yung final product natin na .exe file. So, yung source code natin, for example, yung source code natin, siya yung material na wood. Yung compiler natin, yun yung hammer. Na pag kinompile niya, makakagawa tayong finished product na table. So, dito na tapos yung introduction natin sa C. Next video, ituturo ko naman yung pag-download ng compiler or IDE para makagawa na tayo ng programs natin sa C. So, thank you and expect ko kayo sa next video. Salamat. Bye-bye.